Hello, loves. Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Lineha and I have been appointed as K influencer for the Ministry of Culture, Sports, Tourism, Korea. In today's video, we are going to explore the fascinating Korean word hung. This word represents high spirits, fun, and excitement, and it is an integral part of Korean skincare and makeup culture. Let's dive in and see how hung is embodied in these aspects of beauty. So, what is hung? Hung means high spirits, fun, and excitement. In the context of Korean beauty, hung is all about joy and excitement that come with skincare routine and the fun of experiencing new products and new looks. Cultural context. Hung has a deep cultural significance in Korea, traditionally associated with music and festivals. It now also influences modern practices, including the beauty industry. Korean skincare and makeup routines are not just about achieving flawless skin, but also about the exciting and enjoyable experience of self-care. Different meanings of hung in Korean skincare. In Korean skincare, hung can be seen in the joy of trying new products, the excitement of seeing results, and the fun of indulging in beauty rituals. Let's look at some examples. Joy of trying new products. The excitement of unboxing and trying new skincare products is a big part of hung. For example, 새 제품을 시도하는 것은 흥미로워요. Trying new products is exciting. 새 제품을 시도하는 것은 흥미로워요. Excitement of seeing results. The high spirits and satisfaction when you see improvements in your skin. For example, 피부 개선을 보는 것은 흥이에요. Seeing skin improvements is exciting. 피부 개선을 보는 것은 흥이에요. Fun beauty rituals. The fun and relaxation that come with indulging in a skincare routine. For example, skincare routine은 흥겨워요. Skincare routines are fun. Skincare routine은 흥겨워요. Different meanings of hung in makeup. In Korean makeup, hung is evident in the creativity, experimentation, and the joy of enhancing the beauty. Here are some examples. Creative experimentation. The fun and excitement of experimenting with different makeup looks. For example, 다양한 메이크업은 흥미로워요. Different makeup looks are fun. 다양한 메이크업은 흥미로워요. Joy of enhancement. The high spirits that come with enhancing your features and feeling confident. For example, 꾸미는 것은 흥이에요. Grooming is exciting. 꾸미는 것은 흥이에요. Engaging tutorials. Watching and creating fun makeup tutorials that are engaging and fun. For example, 튜토리얼은 흥겨워요. Tutorials are fun. 튜토리얼은 흥겨워요. Practice time! Now let's practice using the word hung in some sentences. Repeat after me. For example, skincare routine은 흥겨워요. Skincare routines are fun. Skincare routine은 흥겨워요. 꾸미는 것은 흥이에요. Grooming is exciting. 꾸미는 것은 흥이에요. 튜토리얼은 흥겨워요. Tutorial은 흥겨워요. Tutorials are fun. Great job. Keep practicing these sentences to get a better feel of how hung is used in Korean. I remember the first time I tried 10-step skincare routine. Each step was filled with hung as I discovered new products and techniques. Similarly, creating playful and bold makeup looks for special occasions brings me lots of hung. To sum up, hung brings high spirits, fun, and excitement in the world of Korean skincare and makeup. Whether you're trying new products, experimenting with makeup, or enjoying beauty rituals, hung is what makes this experience enjoyable and fulfilling. I hope this video helped you understand how hung enhances the beauty culture of Korea. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to Lineha Junsu for more insights into Korean culture. 다음 보자. Until next time.